Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play Monopoly Go for beginners. Once you log in or sign up your account using your Facebook or Google account, you'll find this interface. Well, basically, first we need to understand the gameplay mechanics. The core gameplay system is quite simple to understand. Each player on the board starts with a basic sum of money. A dice marked by 6 numbers from 1 to 6 is going to be present beside the board. Simply click on Go button to roll the dice and your character will move across the board depending on the number you got on the dice. Players can experience different types of instances on the boards such as chance cards, community chests, jail, income tax collection, jackpot, and much more. We have two different mechanics we're going to be important when rolling on the board: the bank heist and the shutdown. Shutdown is the latter mechanics allows you to attack different player cities and raid the loot, increasing your overall monetary gains. If the player has a shield buff, then you'll be able to loot only half the money. Further, you will also destroy their buildings on the city, making them lose more money in return. Repairing the buildings is also a huge expense that keeps on adding. On the other hand, Bank Heist is going to be a card matching game that sees you trying to match 3 identical cards. You get a maximum of 8 chances to flip the cards. Then the larger the size of the heist, the more money you can obtain. Small heist will fetch you with 1/3 of the jackpot prize money, while a large heist will fetch you with 2/3 of the jackpot prize money. Another game mode is the Empire Building game mode that says you become a full-fledged business tycoon that owns majority of the buildings and properties in the board. Players can earn zillions of dollars through this game mode and establish their dominance as the biggest realty tycoon in the area. You can also unlock different boards for different famous cities of the world, each of which own the famous landmarks located inside them. Acquire new buildings, build your own empire, and rent out these spaces to earn extra revenue. This game mode screams a ton of fun and exciting times as players can own the multiple famous landmarks around the world as well as travel to the unexplored corners of the world in order to increase their net worth. Need also to understand the different currencies. We have here dices. Dice is going to be the primary currency that allows you to roll on the board and trigger the different nuances associated with them. Dice can be regenerated over time at a pace of 5 dice per 30 minutes. Players can also get additional dice as they level up in their network rankings. Additionally, you can also purchase a dice pack via in-game microtransactions. And also, some events has it too. Money is also one of the primary currencies in Monopoly Go. It is used abundantly to purchase and upgrade buildings that you own. Being the name of the game, money is the currency that can be obtained via rolling on the board, bank heist, shutdowns, and much more. And also, don't forget to check the daily treats. Just play for 7 consecutive games so you can get some rewards or prizes. And also, always check the quick wins so you can also get some daily quick rewards. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.